What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? All right, let's get into this one last video of the day. Have a look at what the market's doing as we wind down for the night, guys. Cookie's looking phenomenal, yeah, because they just got added to Coinbase's roadmap. So likely going to have a Coinbase listing in the near future here for Cookie. That's why it's having such a good day. But in other news, guys, Jasmy up 1.7% on the day, down 10. Well, we'll round it to 11. Down 11% on the week, 24% on the month, and up 26.8% on the year. Even in rank at 79 with a $927 million market cap, 53 million in volume. Swift Coin down 3.7% on the day, 19.5 on the week, 28.5 on the month, but up 425 on the year, down 12 spots and ranked at 276, $152 million market cap, and an abysmal 9 million in volume. XCN down 3.5% on the day, 20 on the week, 47 on the month, but up 725 on the year, down 8 spots and ranked to 122, $531 million market cap, 65 million in volume. ZBEC down 4.5% on the day, 16.8 on the week, 49% to the upside on the month, down 10 spots and ranked to 329, $115 million market cap, and 19 million in volume. All right, let's look at some charts. Things look kind of bullish, but again, it matters where these candles close, not where they wick to. Remember that. So far, Bitcoin fighting its way back up, back over that $85,000 level at 86,500. We need to close this daily candle above $85,000, guys. We need to close inside, roughly inside this box, okay? We close this candle at 84,000, not good. If we want to reclaim 85 as quickly as possible, because we do not have any support. You understand? We start straight up. So if we do not reclaim 85 on a daily close, we could see further continuation to the downside, which, I mean, whatever. I'll just buy more if we do, right? It just prolongs things at the end of the day. But the altcoin season, the peak, the blow off top of this bull run is inevitable, in my opinion. So just gives me more time. That's it. Just gives me more time. But we're going to monitor it nonetheless, guys. Over on Jasmy. Jasmy is doing very similar things to Bitcoin here, climbing its way up 3 daily green candles in a row, 1 cent 92, working its way back up to that 2 cent level, guys. That's what you want to see. If Bitcoin continues to push even a little bit at a time, the altcoins are going to continue to creep their way back up to old support levels. So that's what we will be watching for. XCN still inside of its bullish structure, guys, still inside this falling wedge pattern. Very, very nice. Starting to get a little tight, though. That's what she said. We closed this candle around that 1 cent 64. We're sitting at 1 cent 62 right now. We'd like to see a break to the upside here. We have resistance, obvious resistance at 1 cent 84. So we got to get above that if we want to see more upside here. And very similar on Swift Coin, as you guys know by now. We have a resistance right here at 1 cent 798, which we have rejected off twice. Now we're down here. We need to push back up to test that support level. We'll see what happens, guys. Again, it all depends on what Bitcoin is doing. ZBEC's just kind of going sideways here. ZBEC put up a great fight here with this daily candle, put up a phenomenal fight, but now it's just kind of trending sideways, closed around that 2015 level, ping-ponging right now, can't decide what it wants to do. Another move to the upside or to retest support down here at 2014. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. All right, what do we have? XCN, mystery solved. What the hell is Rob talking about now? So, courtesy of Winston and Jetpack, I know Jetpack had tagged me in this earlier as well. Finally, now we know what the 80888 means. So here we go, guys. Chain value 80888, the unique identifier for the Onyx network required for network configuration and development environments and wallet connections. Now, you might be sitting there going, what the hell are you talking about, Rob? What does that mean? Well, what that means is from Know Your Stocks, great question. Before Goliath mainnet, XCN was strictly an ERC20 token on Ethereum. It was a layer 2, right? Meaning it didn't have its own blockchain. It was on Ethereum's blockchain. But now, with Onyx launching its own network ID chain ID number 80888, as you guys remember, XCN is most likely transitioning into a fully independent layer 1 asset. This shift could fundamentally change Onyx's role in the crypto space. Absolutely massive. That means projects are going to come and build on XCN, guys, right? On Onyx Coin's ledger. That is what you want to see. And as we continue to get bullish news, we see the wallet count continues to tick upwards. Congratulations, 42,000 holders now of Onyx Coin. You love to see it, guys. You absolutely love to see it. All right. Visiting our friend NeoXtrix, guys, NeoSun, he says, Junction GPU AI and Jasmy Security IoT AI. Check it out.
日本とのお付き合いが始まったのは
I'm going to read it to you guys because obviously it's in Japanese. And I'm going to mute it because it's loud. Our friendship with Japan began 30 years ago. We had a dream to reinvent 3D graphics. Sega, with its own groundbreaking 3D games, chose Nvidia to build its next game console. But it became clear our unconventional approach would not live up to our vision. With humility, we asked Sega's, I'm going to butcher that name, Uramajiri-san, I apologize, to release us from our obligation. He generously agreed, giving us the time needed to invent the GPU. A chance for success, saving our company. In the years since, we've worked with Japan to redefine gaming. On the PlayStation 3, Sega Arcade, and Nintendo Switch, and created a medium for telling beautiful stories. With the invention of CUDA, C-U-D-A, NVIDIA CUDA GPU computing software, we transitioned from a gaming company to a computing company. As we expanded into the world of supercomputing and AI, it was Japan's, then Tokyo's tech, that first saw the promise of GPU accelerated computing. Quote, it's just the beginning of the GPU acceleration becoming a mainstream. Less than a decade after Sonbei, we introduced the DGX-1, the AI computer that changed the world. Can't read that, it's in Japanese. NVIDIA and AI are now at the center of a new industrial revolution. From the beginning, Japan has been a friend on NVIDIA's journey. And our story together is just getting started. Absolutely, guys. Listen, Jasmy creating the world's largest GPU cloud, Nvidia, the world's largest GPU manufacturer. What do you think is going to happen here? Right? The writing is on the wall. It's obvious, right? At some point, these two companies, these two powerhouses, are on a parallel road and will at some point cross paths with some sort of partnership or collaboration. I have no doubt. But I always want to know what you guys think. Again, guys, if I offered you the opportunity to get in on 4 gems that we dropped yesterday, be a part of a community of over 1,800 people, almost 1,900 now, with the chats buzzing, a free Discord that goes along with it, and you could book one-on-one coaching AMAs with me personally for free as well. All of that, guys, the wealth of knowledge that our community provides to you, swing trades. We've been making money, guys, over on the Patreon. We've been successfully completing swing trades while the market has been red. Everyone's losing money. Everyone's portfolios are red. I guess you don't lose unless you sell, but their portfolios are red. We have been flipping projects over there with amazing gems, guys. We have a whole stockpile list of gems you're going to want to get into early, just like ZBEC, Onyx coin, Swift coin, XPR, and so many more, guys. Get over there, check it out for yourself. Listen, if I offered all of that to you and it only ran you the cost of a Happy Meal, why would you not take me up on the opportunity, right? Considering you can leave if you don't like it. If you go in there, you're like, hey, you know what, this isn't for me, you can leave, right? No problem. And all you did was spend the price of a Happy Meal. And I can promise you this, you will learn, I can promise you 2 things. You will learn something that will make you a better investor and a better trader in this market. With the wealth of knowledge that we have over there as a community, you will be stunned, shocked, and you will learn. And 2, once you become a member of our community, you get to know all of the people over there, all of the personalities, the phenomenal community leaders, the live streams we do over there every single evening, the fun that we have, the money that we make, and so much more. You're not going to want to leave. So check it out for yourself, guys. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. For the price of a Happy Meal, it is definitely worth at least checking it out. While these other channels are charging you between $100 and $1,000, we're providing you with the opportunity at an affordable opportunity at that. So check it out for yourself. Once again, nothing to lose, everything to gain. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.